Hey folks, we're back for another episode of Monkey Shorts with Ken and the Data Monkey here, and today we're going to look at one of my favorite tricks to do inside a Power Pivot model. We're going to show you how to create official linked fact tables inside Power Pivot. So let's take a look at this particular model right here. It's relatively easy, honestly. There's not a lot of stuff that's going on, but we've got two dimension tables, calendar and categories that we're using to slice up our facts. And we have two fact tables. We've got budgets here and sales. You can identify your fact tables by recognizing that there's only the stars around them. So this is all the many side of the relationship. That's a really good indicator you got a fact table on your hands here. It also is holding measures that we're using to aggregate multiple rows of data and report on it. Now, one of the things I always teach my students when we're in our dimensional modeling class at ScaleWave or in the self-service BI bootcamp is when they create relationships between tables, you should always hide the key on the many side, and this prevents your users from getting into cross-filtering problems when they drag this field on which can't filter this one, causes some issues. This forces them to actually pick up the category from the correct dimensional table. But the other thing that a lot of people don't really recognize is that you can actually hide a lot of different things here. So I'm going to hide everything here except for my measures. I'm going to do the same thing for the sales table, hiding every unaggregated field on these tables. What you're going to see now is if I go and actually just shrink this up and we take a look at the fields that I actually have in my field list, you'll notice that budget has all these different fields that are exposed to users and potentially, could allow them to put the wrong things on. I don't need amount because I've already built a measure that sums it. That's budget. The tables are all listed in alphabetical order and they all carry this table icon. Watch what happens now when I close Power Pivot. Excel refreshes and our table order changes and the icons next to my budget and my sales table change as well. These are now showing me that these tables contain nothing but measures. Now in Power BI, you can actually do the same trick. It just puts a calculator icon next to it as well. But in Power BI, we can add folders to actually organize our measures and things like that. Can't do that in Excel. So this is my answer to that because I now have them all organized by storing them on the correct tables. These kind of act like their own folders there. Just makes it a lot easier to find things, makes it a lot easier to keep things organized. And honestly, it just adds some nice polish to it. So super easy to set up and actually carries some additional benefits as well that I'm going to talk about in the next Monkey Shorts video that you're going to see next week. Thank you for watching this episode of Monkey Shorts. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to click on the ScaleWave logo on the bottom left in order to subscribe to our channel. Or if you'd like to see more videos in the series, click on the playlist tile on the right. And if you'd like to get more comprehensive training, you should definitely check out our website at scalewave.training.